Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. So I am doing a kitty on a book, so library cat. And I'm going 4 times the speed and voicing over and just getting the general shapes in. There's that muzzle. Nice eye for the lines. Line for the eyes. Just really quick shapes. And I know I'm going 4 times the speed, but I'm still getting it down fairly quickly. Pop some eyes in there. I'll refine the shape a little later. And a book. Just doing one book here. My book looks a little rough, but that's okay. It's a rustic book. After it's been sat on by a cat many times, I'm sure it would be. That paw is not quite long enough, I don't think. Bring it out a bit. So the front of Kitty's a little twisted up. That one paw's hanging over the edge of the book. So we'll refine these eyes a bit. Have you ever read the book of Dewey, the library cat? If not, you really should. It's an awesome book about a cat that really brought joy to a whole community by being their library cat. Definitely a recommended read from me. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world, what you want to learn about cat drawing. Help us grow this awesome community of crazy cat artists. I don't worry if things are a little bit wonky here and there, because every time you fix that, you take away the character and life. The best drawings look drawn. Perfectly imperfect. I really aim for character and soul more than anything, and it's the beauty of the line that I'm attracted to. We can be so expressive with lines, and changing a line just slightly really changes the expression, especially when you're working on the cat's face. What's your cat's name? I'd love to hear that too. Comments are what really grow this community. Get some extra expression lines in there. Whiskers! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.